Hi friends, in this problem we are given a two-digit number. When this two-digit number is multiplied by the sum of its digits, it is becoming, the product is becoming 405. Right, when this two-digit number is reversed and again multiplied with the sum of its digits, it is giving 486. Then what is this number? What they are saying, for example, if the two-digit number is 23, then 23 times sum of its digits 2 plus 3 5. 23 times 5 should be equal to 405. In this case, it is not. Right. Similarly, the same number when it is reversed, that means 32. 23, it is reversed 32. 32 into again the same 2 plus 5 should give this number which is not. Right. But then what is that number? Right. In this case, let us assume the number is of number is xy, where x is the first digit, x is in tens place, and y is in units place. Then what is this number? When number something is a number is like when we call something like xy, what does that mean? The what is the number? 10x plus y. Right. For example, if the number is 23, what does that mean? 10 times 2 plus 3. Right. 23 means this. Please note, we cannot directly take xy. Right. We cannot directly write here xy times x plus y. Right. What does this mean if we write it like this? It means it is not 23. It means xy means 2 times 3. Right. Let's say if the original number is 23, this equation becomes 6 in times x plus y 5. The equivalent of this equation is this, which is not what we want. Right. xy, if we write it like this, what we want is 23 times 5. Right. What we want is 23 times 5. What is 23? 23 is 10x plus y. 10 into 2 plus 3. Right. We have to write it like this, not like this. Please note, lot of students make this mistake. If we write like this xy, that means it is actually equal to 2 times 3. Xy means x the product of x and y, the product of 2 and 3. We are not writing product of 2 and 3. We are writing the number itself and the sum of these two numbers, these two digits. Because these two digits are represented by 2 equals x and 3 equals y, 2 equals x, 3 equals y, then 23 should be equal to 2x times 10 plus 23 should be equal to x times 10 plus y times 1. Right. 23 cannot be equal to x into y, x times y. Right. Because we are assuming 2 equals x and 3 equals y. The number in tens digit is x, the number in units digit is y. So what is the number? The number we can write it as 10x plus y. Now 10x plus y equals 10x plus y times x plus y. This becomes 405. Right. That is what that is given. Similarly, 10y plus x. That means when the number is reversed and still you multiply with the same sum of its digits, then it is becoming 486. These two are what that are given to us. So we have x plus y common in both the places. So let us divide 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 10x plus y by 10y plus x becomes 405 by 486. 486. We can clearly see 81 times 5 is 405, 81 times 6 is 486. So this becomes 5 by 6. Let us simplify this further. 6 times 10x plus y becomes 60x plus 6y equals 5 times 10y plus x, 50y plus 5x. This means 55x, 60 minus 5 equals 44y. That means x by y equals 4 by 5. That means y equals 5 by 4x. Let us substitute this y equals 4 by 5x in the first equation. 10x plus y is 5 by 4x times x plus 5 by 4x becomes 405. What does that mean? 45x, 4 times 10 plus 5. 45x times 4 times x plus 5, 9x by 4 equals 405. What is 405? 405 is again 45 times 9, right? 45 times 10 is 450 minus 45 is 405. So this 45 and this 9 will go away. We will be left with x square equals 4 square. That means x equals 4. What is y? y is y is 5 by 4x. Right? Y is 5 by 4x. So if x equals 4, y becomes 5. This is the number we are looking for. If x the number we are looking for is xy, right? Which is 45. 45 times 9. 9 is 4 plus 5 is 405. 54 times 9 is 486. This is the number we are looking for. Right. Please note, only important thing is how do we write this equation? This equation, once we are writing it correctly, everything else is like a cakewalk. Right, guys? Thank you.